Hello, in this class let us discuss regarding which one borax. What is the formula, preparation, properties, uses, structure of borax. So let us see here. What is borax means the most common metaborate is which one? Borax. Borax is the most common metaborate and its formula is, we can write the formula like this here: Na2B4O7 10H2O. Otherwise we can write like this also: Na2B4O5 OH taken 4 8H2O. So like this we represent in two different formulas, that which one? Borax. This is the formula of borax. And in general, borax in the nature exist in two forms. What are those? Means this is known as which one? Tincal, or known as crude borax. Both of these having same formula, crude borax or tincal, Na2B4O7 10H2O. Another one is Na2B4O7 4H2O. Its name is resorite, or this is also called kernite. So these are the two different, that in nature that borax exists in two different forms. Those two are, one is tincal or crude borax, another one resorite or kernite. Okay, then this borax is having tetranuclear, that means that consists tetranuclear units. So how to represent the tetranuclear units? Let us see here. So now let these considered as four boron atoms. They combine with OH groups here and bridge oxygen atoms are present, and here also one bridge oxygen atoms, here minus, here minus. Okay, now here this is which one? Here tetranuclear structure of which one? That borax. And here the number of BO4 units, number of BO4 units means, see here, BO like that, O4 units, number of BO4 units equal to charge present on the anion. So if -2 charge is there, 2 number of BO4 units are present in this tetranuclear units of borax. So this is the tetranuclear unit structure of which one? Borax. Okay, then after that, borax exist in three crystalline forms. What are the three forms? Means here, first one is prismatic borax. First one is prismatic borax. Its formula Na2B4O7 10H2O. And second one is octahedral or jewelers borax. Two names for this: octahedral or jewelers borax, Na2B4O7 5H2O. And third one is here anhydrous, or that means pyrex glass also we can call, anhydrous borax, or that is also called pyrex glass. Its formula Na2B4O7. No water is there, so it is known as anhydrous borax. So like that, three crystalline forms of borax are available in the nature. Okay, after that let us see the preparation of borax. Of course, borax is naturally available. Even one can prepare that borax by using which one? Boric acid and sodium carbonate. So let us see what is the preparation method. 4 moles of boric acid when treated with sodium carbonate, we get Na2B4O7 plus 4 moles of H3, okay, 4 moles. What we can get here remaining CO2 plus 6 moles of H2O. So this is the preparation method of which one? Borax. Okay, now let us see the properties of borax. What are the properties of borax? Let us see here. It is sparingly soluble in cold water. Sparingly soluble in cold water, but fairly soluble in hot water. But it is fairly soluble in which one? Means hot water. And its aqueous solution is having basic nature. Aqueous solution is having which nature? Means basic nature due to anionic hydrolysis. So remember that any salt, in salt hydrolysis we can learn that topic again. Now if any solution, aqueous solution of any salt having that basic nature, means anionic hydrolysis is occurring in that. If any salt aqueous solution is having acidic nature, means cationic hydrolysis takes place. So remember like that. So now let us see what is that hydrolysis here. Na2B4O7 plus 7H2O gives 2NaOH plus 4H3BO3. So like that we get here which one? That again that base means here NaOH we are getting here. So like that here, due to the formation of that NaOH, it is having which nature? Means that basic nature. So due to anionic hydrolysis, so this is the which one? Salt of which one? Weak acid and strong base. It is the salt of weak acid and strong base. So its aqueous solution is having basic nature due to anionic hydrolysis and to the for the production of OH minus ions. Okay, now this is one of the properties, that means some properties of which one? That borax. And another one, borax when treated with aqueous solution of borax, when treated with acid, it gives which one? Means boric acid. Orthoboric acid is formed here. We get 2NaCl plus 4H3BO3. So like that here, sodium metaborate, that means here this borax when treated with HCl in aqueous solution state, that gives which one? Means here boric acid. So these are the properties of which one? Means this borax. Now in this important topic is borax bead test. What is borax bead test? Means borax is used to identify the which one here? Basic radicals. To identify the basic radicals, one can use which one? Means borax bead test. So what is that borax bead test? Means here, first when borax is heated, it loses water and swells into white opaque mass, and further heating this produces a mixture of sodium metaborate and boric oxide. This mixture is called borax glass. That mixture, what is that mixture here? Sodium metaborate and boric oxide, that means boric anhydride, that is B2O3. This mixture is known as borax glass. Now this B2O3, boron trioxide or boric anhydride, react with metal oxides and produces color beads. This is used to identify the basic radicals. So for example, COO, cobalt oxide, when react with B2O3, we get COBO2 taken twice, cobalt to metaborate, a blue color bead. So like that, by observing the color blue color formation, one can estimate that what is the basic radical present in this reaction. So like that, borax is used to identify the which one basic radicals using borax bead test. Okay, this is regarding which one borax bead test. Okay, then now let us see the uses of borax. What are the uses of borax? Let us see here. First use of borax is it is used as a flux in soldering, welding, and in some metallurgical processes, that is used as which one? Flux. What is flux? To remove the gangue from minerals, the reagent used is known as flux. So like that, here borax is used as a flux in which one? Soldering, welding, in some metallurgical processes. Okay, then this borax is used in softening of water. In softening of hard water, we use which one? Means this borax, because it will form that which one? Borates, stable borates of calcium and magnesium. So that's why it is used in softening of which one? Hard water. Okay, then, and it is also used in which one? Leather industry. For what purpose? Means here to clean the hides and skin, that is used in which one? Means leather industry also we are using which one? Means this borax. Okay, then another one, it is used in the preparation of pyrex glass. It is used in the preparation of which one? Here pyrex glass preparation. In that also we use which one? This borax. Okay, so these are some uses of which one. And another important one, which one? It is used in identifying basic radicals using which one? That borax bead test. Using borax bead test, one can identify which one? Means basic radicals. So these are the uses of which one? Means borax. So this is regarding borax. Okay, in our next class, let us go for which one? That hydrates of boron. Okay.